In previous episodes, we explored essential topics for child development. We uncovered how imagination and creativity in child psychology are fundamental for nurturing young minds, fostering both emotional and cognitive growth. Then, we ventured into the exploration of identity and self-expression in childhood, discovering how children seek their place in the world and why it is so important to encourage them to be authentic. Next, I will share a series of practical recommendations that you can implement to nurture and support children in their journey to fulfill their dreams and develop in a healthy way. Imagination and creativity. Read stories together and create your own stories. Engage in role-playing games and use art to invent and create. Identity and self-expression. Listen to and respect their emotions and opinions. Support their interests and expose them to diversity in their environment. The role of parents and teachers. Maintain close and caring communication. Be examples of respect and positive values. Support each child's process according to their own pace. Autonomy and authenticity. Allow age-appropriate decision-making and assign small responsibilities. Celebrate their unique way of being and give them space to learn from mistakes. You can also try other activities. Identity colours. Paint kites with designs that represent who they are. Dreamers for a day. Act out characters inspired by their dreams. Stellar journey. Create and share stories about kites and stars. Dream corner. Set up a special space for drawings and words about their goals. Shining kites. Design kites with personal colours and meaningful messages. Authentic star. Share something genuine and unique about yourself. On behalf of myself and everyone in the world of Atapuma, thank you for being part of this beautiful community that seeks the very best for our children. Every effort, no matter how small it may seem, leaves an unforgettable mark on the heart of childhood. And remember, a kite rises because it has the wind against it. If this capsule touched your heart, follow us for more content that inspires, supports, and strengthens families.